All right, we are at this massive jewelry mall in Los Angeles.
These have transition era here, right? Like right before the recycle button.
Oh, interesting. Oh, this one at the end. Oh, these were old, something old. Same cabs as before. Indicators up there. Whew. Here we go.
The blue ERM is interesting.
For sure.
My door has the same fixtures in red.
Yeah, basically
Like this one right here.
These two. 3850 pounds. That's interesting.
Is this a US with a lip?
I don't think so. I doubt it. Maybe, but I doubt it. Never mind.
You really feel the force of that deceleration.
Yeah, these things stop and start quickly. This was probably an older mod. Early 2000s or maybe late 90s. Probably 2000s though. That sounds like an MAC interlock.
We can have a look.
Damn, this place is busy. Anyway, that's all.